Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we have this HooToo Shuttle that connects to the Type-C of a Mac or an Android cell phone. This happens to be a Note 9. And this allows us to make the Note 9 or use the Note 9 in a desktop configuration. It has HDMI out. It has DC in, it has 3 USB 3.0 ports, of which 2 are designed for data and 1 is for charging only, and a RJ45 connector for Ethernet. And believe it or not, the Note 9 has Ethernet capability. You just need this device to do it through the Type-C. I'm going to be giving this the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating because it works incredibly well. I plug this into the bottom of my cell phone. I get HDMI out to my monitor. I have Ethernet to the cell phone. It's just unbelievably incredible. I find this very useful, so if someone wants to use your cell phone as a computer for a temporary solution, it's great. Remember, it is an 8-core CPU. It has 2 quad cores. This happens to have 6 gigs of RAM because it's a 128 gig version. 512 gig version has 8 gig of memory. So it is a possibility to use this as a computer. I will have a link in the description below to purchase this. This is a really cool product. It's also used for anything that's Type-C that supports video output. Hey guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.